Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a mobile home tour, and you guys have seen this living room many times, but this is going to be a tour of the full home. It's technically, you can say, 4 to 5 bedrooms. One of our rooms are smaller than most, but you can fit a twin bed or a day bed in there, and it can still be classified as a bedroom. That's the den, and it pretty much just looks the same. The only thing I think we've added is the black beams, which are on both sides. So I don't think you guys got a chance to see that. This is our other area across from the living room, which is our lounge area where you can go in and sit. And you can also watch TV over there as well. This is a kitchen. The only thing that we have to do in the kitchen is get new flooring. We have the new flooring, but we got to get it put down. So we are going with the marble floor, which is actually in our new bathroom. So we're going to put that in our kitchen. This is a dining room. Pretty much simple. Everything is an open floor plan. This is bedroom 1. This is our old master's bedroom. So now it's a guest room. But, hey, we can still sleep in both. And this is me and Maddie's bathroom. So me and her just share bathrooms. And then her dad, my husband, he has his own bathroom. So, women, we have a lot of stuff. So, it was best that the women share the bathroom and the men have their bathroom. So this is bedroom number 2. We turned it into a walk-in closet and an office for me. So I can go in there. I work out in there, read my Bible, things like that. And then there's also storage for our clothes. If you don't know, we don't have closets built into this mobile home, which is great because we don't have a lot of area to just store stuff. So we just keep it simple. This is another bedroom, which I say is kind of small, but it's got his clothes in there. So it's walk-in closet, man cave, and this is his bathroom. We have to decorate that bathroom. We also have to redo Madeline's room, but for now, it's good for her. It's full of colors. She loves her room, so we'll take it. And this is the movie room. You guys have seen this if you've watched our older videos of how we got it put together. But we wanted to add a small movie room in our home. And this is bedroom number 5, y'all. This is our new master's bedroom. So we got decorating to do in there. But we love it so far. Love the bed. Love everything. I was going for an old wooden feel in there. So I really like that. And that's our bathroom number 3.